The Electrical and Mechanical Services Department recently developed this virtual reality vehicle repair shop. It helps members of the vehicle repair industry learn about the practice guidelines for vehicle maintenance workshops and related requirements to properly service vehicles through an innovative and interactive way. The department is focused on enhancing service standards and the professional image of the vehicle maintenance industry. It has launched 2 voluntary registration schemes for vehicle mechanics and vehicle repair shops. Yulok Sum has been in the industry for more than a decade. He became a registered vehicle mechanic in 2015.
Since the launch of the scheme, many companies take into account whether a mechanic is registered or not. If they are, the chance of being employed is higher. It is favorable for me to have a registration card.
The department launched the voluntary registration scheme for vehicle mechanics in 2007. At the end of 2018, there were about 9,300 vehicle mechanics registered under the scheme, about 90% of the total number of mechanics in Hong Kong.
Under the scheme, vehicle mechanics with the required qualification and experience may apply for registration. Registered vehicle mechanics shall attend continuing qualification development courses and follow the code of conduct under the scheme. This scheme is an incentive to encourage the mechanics to continuously upgrade their skills and knowledge so as to enhance the service standard of the vehicle maintenance trade.
When I was young, I did not study hard. Then I tried to develop my career in vehicle maintenance. But technology is getting more advanced. Now many vehicles are equipped with computers and do not only require traditional mechanics. So we need to keep training.
Under the voluntary registration scheme for vehicle maintenance workshops, about 2,100 have successfully registered, about 75% of the total number of vehicle maintenance shops in the city. This workshop in Hong Kong registered in 2015 when the scheme was launched.
Customers know we have registered. Our technique has reached a certain level and our staff are properly trained. Their recognition and loyalty will grow. As society is moving forward, I think the scheme enhances the industry.
Registered workshops shall employ registered vehicle mechanics and have a suitable working bay in the workshop. They also need to meet the technical, environmental, safety, staff training, service and documentation requirement in the practice guidelines for vehicle maintenance workshop. Registered workshop may also display the registration certificate and signage for easy identification by the public.
Registration of mechanics and workshops is valid for 3 years. After that, they must meet the requirements for renewal of registration.
Registration figures show that these 2 voluntary schemes are generally supported by the trade. The service quality of the vehicle maintenance is very important. Proper maintenance of vehicles can effectively prevent road accidents caused by mechanical defects of vehicles and contribute to the enhancement of road safety.